What is up, y'all? So I am gonna do another get ready with me video. It is currently 2 something. I still look like this. Baby boy is right here in the bed. So I'm thinking I might just have a chill outfit today. I think I kind of want to wear my hair up in a ponytail and like put a hat and stuff and be all, I feel like, cute. But the reason for it today is kind of like vlog, I guess you want to call it, or whatever. So to backtrack, I ended up getting my nails done because I had upgraded my wedding ring, wedding band, and all that stuff. And I got a phone call that it's ready for pickup because I had to get it sized, so they had to send it off and stuff. So I'm super excited. Oh man. Okay. So I'm gonna get ready. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. Baby Treville is he's ready to go. So I'm just waiting for hubby to get home and stuff and from work. That way we can go. I don't know if you guys had watched my few past videos and stuff, but I don't think I had mentioned this part. I kind of forgot. So due to having the seizures from the eclampsia here in California, I don't know if it's every state, but you are not allowed to drive for 3 months, just in case if you end up having more seizures and stuff. So it's a precaution that they take and stuff. I won't be able to drive until the end of March. So I have to wait the 3 months and stuff. And I actually have to get cleared by the doctor and let them know that, you know, I haven't had any seizures or anything like that. So, because if I could drive now, I would go and pick up my ring like ASAP. But it's all good. Just waiting for hubby to get here. That way we can go together and stuff. So yeah, that was like the longest intro ever, but let's get ready. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciate it. And also follow me on Instagram as well. I post some cute pics on there and stuff of me, babies, and like babies my baby and stuff. So yeah, follow me on there. The description will be down below. So let's get my day started. All right, daily closet. I feel like I really need to organize this closet. I'm gonna have all my jackets and stuff over here, and then I have some like in random spots, but for the most part that part's organized. But gosh, what am I gonna wear today? I wanted to go with something. I think I wanted to wear a hat. So me and turtlenecks, I swear. I feel like I should wear a long sleeve shirt. I could always wear this nude. Love a nude. Maybe I'll wear that. But let me pick something out. And then, yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. Jeans again. And this long sleeve this like sweater thing that I got from Walmart. I love it because it's like nude and stuff. I was gonna put my hair in a hat, but I just honestly I was not liking the way it was looking and stuff. I don't know. So this is just my natural hair. I just put some Amika cream again, and then I use the Rose and Hair body oil. So I love this stuff right here, the Hair Care Rose and Hair body oil. It smells so good. I love it so much. My hair's still a little bit frizzier than I would like, but I'm not gonna put any heat on it. So I'm just gonna rock it how it is and stuff. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna move on to face. And that should be it for me getting ready and stuff. So let's head over to my beauty room and yeah. All right, so we are in my beauty room. I'm gonna go ahead. My hair still looks crazy. What the heck? Anyways, taking off my glasses. So I think I want to wear some liner today. So I'm gonna go in with the roller liner from Benefit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line right here. Okay, do y'all feel like you have an like which eye you can do your liner better than the other one? Let me know down below if you guys struggle too with the wing. So I have my wing. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use the Superhero It from It Cosmetics. Do that real quick. Next, you guys should already know what I'm using for my face, the Hollywood Flawless Filter for medium, right? Yep, for medium. Stuff is amazing. Going in with my favorite Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion 2W. I'm just putting a little bit. And I'm taking my It Cosmetics 132 brush. It's a dual brush. And I'm just going to blend this on out. The trash people. I'm like, what the hell, for real? You're ruining my video. Hold please. Okay, I'm taking my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and I'm gonna go in with this bronzer like I usually do, just to give some color. This is my favorite bronzer. If you guys can't tell, I don't give this bronzer up for nothing. What is your guys' favorite bronzer that you love? Because this one's my favorites. Next, I'm gonna go in with Ciate London and the blush Dusk is what it's called. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did my lips. I used the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner. And then I went in with a gloss today because I feel like my lips are hella chapped. So I prefer to put a gloss on usually if I have hella chapped lips. So I went in with the Artist Couture lip gloss Uncensored 2.0. You guys, this gloss, this nude gloss right here is everything. It smells good. I love the application and it's nice and juicy. So who doesn't love juicy lips and stuff? So yeah, this is today's kind of makeup look, something super simple, fast, easy. Anyone can do this look and stuff, I feel like. I just love the way it comes out. I've been doing the more so natural makeup and stuff, so let me know if you guys love it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on because I can't see squat, so gonna go ahead and put my glasses on. And yeah, so this is the look. Now I can actually see myself in the camera. I'm loving how my lips look and stuff, looking extra plump and juicy. So yeah, I'm excited to go get my ring. It's gonna look so good with my nails, and my nose is popping. Look, I'm so obsessed. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, waiting for hubby to get home so we can go get this ring. So can't wait to show you guys because I'm so excited. All right, be right back. The full OOTD stuff, but same jeans, whatever, it is what it is. Just this sweatshirt that I tucked in, and then again my snake what the hell, my snake print shoes. I actually got these at Ross, you guys. Ooh, super cute. So yeah, and then just my makeup done. Okay, y'all, so I am back home. Man, I had to eat because your girl was hungry. So I was like, I'm gonna eat real quick and then show you guys what I picked up. I'm super excited, you guys. Okay, let me stop talking and just show you. Y'all, I am obsessed. How pretty. Such a nice like upgrade and stuff. So I love it so much. So actually me and my husband's anniversary is coming up in May. It's gonna be our 5-year anniversary that we've been married, and then 10 years that we've actually been together and stuff. So and we actually ended up getting the ring on Valentine's Day. So that's what we ended up doing. If you guys hear a noise, it's my baby. I got him. But yeah, so this was our little thing that we got and stuff. So super blessed about that. But I guess for the rest of the day, it's already what, like 4 o'clock. I'm just gonna chill out and stuff, and take care of little one and everything. Maybe watch a movie or something. So probably do that. And yeah, I think we'll just call that a day. Guys, I was thinking about doing a skincare kind of video. I've been using different products and stuff. So let me know if you would be interested in that type of video of what products I'm loving to use. So yeah, let me know. All right, so I'm gonna stop rambling and everything, but yeah, go ahead and give this video a like, comment something down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. Everything is linked down below for Insta. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.